Hello, friends. Welcome back to your own channel, Staffing Gaur. My name is Gaurav, and friends, we are conducting a series for interview questions, and I have already uploaded two videos of this series, and this is the video number three. And we have till now completed 30 questions in two videos. Now we are moving forward from the 31st question. What I have realized in two videos that what I am telling you in the video, I should upload those questions in the description bar. The two videos already have been uploaded, and I'm going to add those questions and answer in the description of those two videos. And from today onwards, I'll upload those questions in description from this video moving forward. Let's start from our next question. That's question number 31st. In last video, we have completed till question number 30, and that was a question that we were answering that why should I hire you? That was question number 30. The question number 31 is what is RTR? Or what is RTR form, or what is right to represent form? So this answer is once you have agreed to be put forwarded for a particular role, you will be sent a right to represent agreement. You must respond to this documenting to be represented. This is a job by job confirmation that you have agreed to be presented for a particular job by our team. Once you have agreed to be represented by us for a particular job or opportunity, you are unable to be represented by another agency for this particular job opportunity. So, in simple form, if you have given RTRs to some organization, that means you are not able to go for the same job with any other vendor. So this is the RTR form, and these are the right to represent meaning. The next question is what is NDA? This is a very general common question. So it's a very long, it have very long answers. So let's understand. A non-disclosure agreement, which is called NDA, also known as confidentiality agreement, CA, confidential disclosure agreement, CDA, proprietary information agreement, PIA, or secrecy agreement is a legal contract between at least two parties that outlines confidential material, knowledge, or information that the parties wish to share with one another for certain purpose, but wish to restrict access to or by third parties. It is a contract through which the parties agree not to disclose information covered by the agreement. An NDA creates a confidential relationship between the parties to protect any type of confidential and proprietary information or trade secrets. As such, an NDA protect non-public business information. NDAs are commonly signed when two companies, individual or other entities such as partnerships, societies, etc., are considering doing business and need to understand the process used in each other's business for the purpose of evaluating potential business relationships. NDAs can be mutual, meaning both parties are restricted in their use of the material provided, or they can restrict the use of material by a single party. It is also possible for an employee to sign an NDA or NDA like agreement with an employer. In fact, some employment agreements will include a clause restricting employees' use and dissemination of company owned confidential information. So basically, NDA means that this is an agreement in which you cannot share companies any confidential information with somebody else. This is the shortest answer of this question. Now moving to next question is what is the most difficult situation you have faced till now? So it's a simple answer. You must explain them the most difficult situation you have faced till in your career of US recruitment. I am sure that you must have come came to many difficult situations while you are not able to submit the submittals, you are not able to find the right candidate, you are not able to close the POs. So there are so many situations in a US staffing career an individual can face. So let's move to next question, that how to screen a candidate or how to identify fake candidate. So, friends, I have already made a video. The link is in the description. How to find a fake candidate or how to find that this candidate is a fake. So, basically, the simple answer I'm going to tell you is by asking few questions like about his date of birth, when did he enter into US, and through which visa he entered in US, when did he got his H1, LinkedIn ID, and some questions related to his technology, and also taking 2 by 3 official reference from consultant. This may help you to understand whether the candidate is fake or the candidate is genuine. Now, next question is explain about your company or tell me about your company. So they are asking about your current company. So you have to tell them about your company clearly, that how, when did your company founded, how many employees are there, with what are the clients you have in your company. So tell them about your company, each and everything. Next question is how will you get the requirements. So definitely, you are if you are working into US recruitment, then you must know how, from where you get the requirements. So the general answer is I got the requirements from my account manager or maybe from my team lead. So you must have your team lead or account manager. Some company have team leads and then account manager. So their account managers give requirements to the team leads and team lead distribute the requirement to in between the recruiters. But in some companies there are account managers working directly with the recruiters. So they just directly give the requirements to the recruiters. Next question is who will send you the requirements. Again, the answer is same, my account manager or my team lead. Next question is how many of employees are working in your company. So tell them a figure including you and your entire team. So the answer will be you have to tell them about your entire team including you. Next question is what are the tax terms are in US? So this is a very simple questions, and regarding tax terms I have also created a video, link is in again description, you can check. So there are three tax terms, as you know, W2, 1099 and COP to COP. If you want to understand deeply about these tax terms, then there is a video in the there's a link of the video in the description. So next question is tell me about yourself. So this question is tell me about yourself. So as experienced person, you have to tell them myself, whatever your name is, I am having 10 plus years of experience, or you can add whatever experience you have there, out of which my total experience into US staffing is this. You are currently working as a team lead or as a recruiter or as a senior recruiter based in Noida, Delhi, NCR, wherever, and you can tell me that my entire experience is this year's into US recruitment and this much into sales. So again, it's a very long answer. You can give them that I have managed full life cycle of recruitment and also end to end recruiting in bench sales and recruiting. Worked with the direct clients, implementation partners, and layers or third party requirements. Clients for both full time and contract positions. Worked with tax terms like W2, 1099, COP to COP. Worked with different type of visas holders like H1 EADs, GC, and US citizens. Worked with clients like TCS, CTS, Starbase, Infosys, EMC, Entity Data, and Code, Mastercard, recruiting innovators, etc. Worked with US based job like worked with the US based job boards like Dice, Monster, Cop, TechFetch, Career Builders, and LinkedIn. Good experience in marketing of our own H1 OPT consultant and placing them in the entire my staffing career. I did total uh, 20 number of closer or 50 number of closer, whatever closer you have made, you can tell them. So Next question is, what is your strength and weakness? So tell them about your strengths and try to avoid your weakness point. So make sure that you are only telling them about your strengths and should avoid your weakness points. Next question is, do you have your own database? If you are working in a US recruitment, then you must have your database. Let me tell you about myself. When I started my career into US recruitment, I from initial days I started my making my database. So there was one Excel and there was one Notepad notes. So in which notes I saved my strings and all whatever I do on daily basis, and in Excel sheet I saved the contact numbers, name, and email addresses of the vendors from where I'm getting the candidates and all. So you can answer yes, I have thousands of employers recruiters database. The next question is, what is your day-to-day activity? So you can say, after entering into office, I will start my computer. Once I start my computer, I will get open requirement to my official ID from my account manager. After getting requirements from my account manager, I will start analyzing the requirement clearly. If I will get any doubt regarding the requirement, I will directly ask my account manager to clear my doubts. After getting clear idea about the requirement, I will start working on the requirement. If it is a W2 requirement, I will prepare the Boolean search string according to the requirement and also according to the skill set. Then I will copy search string from the notepad and will paste it on my boards, job boards like Monster and Career Builder. If I'm getting good profiles, then that will be fine. I will pick up the best profile and I will try to reach the consultant, and I will communicate with that particular consultant through phone by explaining about the job description clearly. I will discuss about the JD with consultant if he is comfortable with the requirement, and I will send them email to collect their required details for doing submission. After getting complete details, then I will forward that profile to client through my account manager. If it is a cop to cop requirement, I will send mails to my own thousand of employer database. If I won't get any profile from my own database, then I will try to find the profiles using Google Groups, Yahoo Groups, LinkedIn, Facebook, or by posting a job description in the portals. In final case, I will prefer portal to find out the profiles. Then I will screen that consultants. Then I will submit the best profile to my client through my account manager. Most of the times, I want to use portals for cop to cop requirement. I can submit profiles for cop to cop requirement without using any portal. After submitting profile, I will interact with my manager daily after submitting a profile, and I will take feedback from him every time. I will do follow up till candidate got placed. So this was the answer. Now the next question is, do you hold any offer right now? So you must tell them clearly that you are having or you are not having. Most of the times the answer would be yes, I do have one more offer in my hand. So that will help you to get a great salary or more confident about your skill set. So the next and last question for this video, the 45th question is, how much salary you are expecting? So this is the very generic question. So you can simply answer according to your needs, basically. But yes, that should not be too high. So generally, people say, yes, I am looking for a hike of at least 10% or 20%. In general terms, in US staffing, we generally look for 20 to 30% hike. So you can say that yes, I'm looking for at least 20 or 30% hike. So I hope you like this video. You got the answers of the many questions, and I am also going to give all these questions and answer into the into the description of this video too, and also the prior videos. I'll upload these question and answer in prior videos as well. So keep watching these videos, and this series may take 3 4 more videos, so keep watching. And if you are looking for preparation for your interview for your next US staffing job, then you must watch you should watch all the videos of this series. And please share these videos with your colleagues, your friends, and I'll be get back to you with another video. So keep watching. Thank you. Have a great day.